I'm Eddie V and welcome to the channel, and today is a very special topic. I'm so excited about this. It's actually about Acura, and this is what Acura has done. I'm gonna play a clip. I do not own this clip. It is Acura's small little video, so all the video credits go to them, but watch this clip about this new Acura that I'm so excited about. So in this video, I'm gonna make it very brief. So this is an Acura Type S. Now what we do know is we do not know if it's gonna be a Type S TLX or anything else. It just says Type S. We do know that with this concept being coming out, Acura is essentially bringing back the Type S, which is very fun to drive. I did drive a Acura TL. Type S V6 3.5 liter. They have a lot of torque in there. They do respond well. A lot of acceleration. It's like really good acceleration. So I'm excited about to see what Acura is bringing back, because lately Acura have been really boring with their cars. I mean, not all. The brand new RDX is good and all, but like TLX and the ILX and the MDX, even the RDX, they really haven't done anything special. Now, what I do love that they did to the RDX is they added a 2.0 liter turbo. Now, I simply do not like the fact that Acura has really become more of a boring company. They were fun because it's basically Honda, but they weren't really that fun to begin with. Yes, that was a lightning strike, so we're good. But they're really not that fun in terms of right now. The TLX, they do have an A-Spec option, but all A-Spec does literally is A-Spec is just a trim. It's just different wheels, different grille, different just trim around. It doesn't make the car faster, doesn't make it handle better. It is just for looks. So with the Type S coming out, we are hoping that this concept that they're coming out with has a little bit something more fun that can be added to the cars. So like I said, this is brief. Thank you for watching. That's my thoughts, and I think the concept that they're planning to reveal soon will change the way Acura is driving this company to make it, instead of boring, more fun. Alright guys, thank you for watching this YouTube video. We'll see you next time. Alright, this is going to be my schedule for of all the videos. You're going to see me do car-related videos and blogs throughout the week, except on 2 days, because on Wednesdays I'll be trying to post about my fish tanks, whatever video it is about my fish tank once a week, and on Fridays it's going to be a guitar video. So yes, I'll still do all three topics, but my main focus is going to be more diverted to car vlogging, making that perfect, because I think I'm nailing the fish topic and the guitar topic. Maybe not on views, but I'm nailing it. I'm not still 100% perfect in the car, so I'm going to go ahead and nail that. But yeah, my rest of the schedule should be a new video every single day, so don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Like I said, there's a video going to be in every single day. There's going to be Monday, Tuesday, Thursday going to be car videos, and Wednesday, Friday is going to be a fish video and a guitar video. Alright, take care.